Hey everybody, and a pleasant, good, windy, rainy morning to you from Houston, Texas. Hope you guys are doing well, settling from your Thanksgiving turkey hangovers, and if you did any Black Friday shopping. I didn't do that this year. There was nothing that I actually had to have this year, so I just took some time with my family, and I'm getting a little antsy inside the RV, so even though it's going to be a complete washout with flooding alerts all over Houston, yeah, Texas is gonna rain today, yeah. Yeah, thanks for joining me, guys. I will be uploading this video with some Nomad internet, link below in the video description later. A little windy, a little rainy today. We've been to the Bush Beans plant. Forgot what state that was. I want to say Missouri or Kentucky, but here in Texas, we got a giant can of Goya beans behind me. Boy, the wind is just ripping at this umbrella. Yeah, Goya beans. Not my favorite kind of baked beans, but they do have a nice big can of beans here at their main warehouse here in Texas, but they do not have any access to the public to go look around, which is kind of sad, and I feel like that may have been a missed opportunity. In fact, they don't even want you to park anywhere. It's a 2-lane road with a bunch of red, don't park fire, and then the red ends right there, and you could only fit a smart car here. So I don't think a whole lot of people are able to get a picture next to the big giant can of Goya beans. Well, let's stay dry. It's really nice having Tater Tot today to be able to still explore. Gonna hopefully be meeting up with my sister Lori at the end of this after she gets off work, and maybe we'll just have to find some indoor activities, but I still want to explore Houston with you guys, so thanks for joining me, guys. Let's go for a ride. Sporting my Buc-ee's ugly Christmas sweater today here. It's that time. Now that we're past Thanksgiving, we can all just accept Christmas and enjoy the next 25-30 days, okay? Sadly, there is not a Buc-ee's ugly sweater for this year. I have 3 of them. I have 2018, 19, and 21. Here in 2022, there isn't one. I mean, I've been to 5 Buc-ee's locations and asked everybody, and everybody tells me the same thing. There just isn't one this year. Kind of a bummer. So the streak ends for Buc-ee's ugly sweaters in 2022. Wow, wow. Hey, that over there, that building, is the Igloo headquarters. Just got to figure out where the public can go. Shipping and receiving. Here's corporate. There's the sign, Igloo products, and visitors, B, right here. Let's go check out Igloo coolers. All right, actually, we got to go over here first. I see something quirky. I see a photo op over here. Look at this giant cooler. Oh, I love it. Let me get parked, take a picture. All right. So yeah, apparently this is where they manufacture all the Igloo coolers, and they're making a comeback. They're trying to get the old nostalgic look of it. We've all probably owned something similar to this, or know somebody who has owned an Igloo cooler that looks like that. This is where they make them here. There's a sign on the building over there that says we're hiring. And yeah, Igloo Cooler is a US brand that's been around for a while to keep all your nice beverages cool. I will just mention that this cooler may not work because they do have a mini split air conditioner, Mr. Cool, right there to keep it cool. But and a roof, because that was probably melting all the ice inside. It's cool. So the Goya beans, that was their security checkpoint. The same thing with the Igloo cooler. This appears to be where you check in with your truck. It's a cool little guard shack there. All right, got front row parking. There's the outlet store. There's the corporate office. And where's all my van lovers? An old Volkswagen Igloo cooler by Playmate. Playmate is like a model, I think. Yeah, it's a model of cooler that has the flip top. That is one cool looking van though. That's awesome. Ooh, hey. Look at those flags whipping around. If you find yourself here between San Antonio and Houston, they are open Monday through Friday 9 to 5 and Saturday 10 to 2. Closed on Sundays. Let's check it out. All right, well, we're inside the store. Oh my gosh, I am in the market for a new cooler, guys. I love this National Parks green and white one. That thing is gorgeous. Yeah, I do need a new cooler, so we're also doing some shopping. Duff beer, what do you call that, a fanny pack? That's awesome. It's cool. So here's our store. Clothing. There's some soft bags over there. They got some hard-sided coolers down here. And then here's the wall of coolers. A bunch to choose from. Here's their 7-quart, little small one. You can probably fit a 6-pack and some ice in that one. Here at the store, you'll find some that you can't find elsewhere. I think a Coors Light one. Whoa, they got NASCAR ones, but no Kevin Harvick. That Jeff Gordon one is pretty cool, actually. Man, let's see. Hey, that's C-3PO. Too cool. What do you got back here? Another Star Wars one. Got mushrooms. This is my favorite one, the 16-quart National Park one. Let me see. We got anything else cool back there? Football. Weird stuff. Jaguars, Jets. Oh, they got the retro soft bags here. Those bright colors of the 80s. There's the soft bags. They're playing music here, so I will keep this clip short, but this one has speakers built into it, and it's 80s. Well, two things. I'm just about heading out and just realized the mushroom one is also a National Parks one, but look at this Bob's Burgers. I love the color of yellow and all the burgers, but even though I love that one, I am gonna go with the green National Parks one. All right, we got it. Got the National Parks one, and I really, really like this one. It'll be a great new cooler. As a special bonus, I was like asking, I was like, that cannot be right. The price came up to, what is it? $16. $16.09. $15 plus tax. I'm like, that cannot be right. This is like a $50 cooler, it says up there, but this one's on clearance today. So if you're coming here, definitely ask them if this one's still on clearance with a score for 15 bucks. Heck yeah. Kind of tired of this rain though. Jeez. Man. It's fine. It's perfectly fine. Just pointing it out. Holy cow. Well, like I said, I've tried 5 stores. I'm gonna try my 6th Buc-ee's here in Katy, Texas. Go in here real quick, see if maybe they magically have a sweater. Oh, it's a car wash. It's a massive car wash. Like the biggest car wash I've ever seen. Oh, I love the palm trees. Wait a minute now. Google knows a little bit more about this car wash than I do. This Buc-ee's car wash here in Katy, Texas is confirmed by the Guinness Book of World Records to be the longest car wash in the world. The longest. Not the biggest, but the longest car wash in the world here at Buc-ee's of Katy, Texas. Tater Tot really does need a good wash, but there's no point in washing and then getting right back on the dirty roads. So maybe when we come back to camp later tonight, we'll look about it, because Tater Tot is nasty. Actually, it doesn't look that bad. Maybe the rain's been cleaning the Tot up. Tot, you feeling pretty clean? Yeah? Okay. I love the palm trees. Anybody else get the idea that like every time I come to these beautiful places, it's just always so different? It's just different, right? Like, and that's not a bad thing. No, what am I trying to say? Texas is supposed to be like a really dry climate, a beautiful place to be year round. And then every time I come in here in November, they're making up for a year's worth of rain lost. And it's windy and stormy and like just non-stop raining and ugly gray in Texas. It's not me, and I'm not taking it personal or anything. It's just that we all see a different view outside of our lens, and so one of the cool things about sharing my life with y'all is you get to see all these different views of mine that may be a little different than your visit to Texas. You're probably gonna get sunshine and blue skies. Me, just rain, just rain again. Well, it's a big old negative on getting a 2022 Buc-ee's ugly sweater. They just do not have them this year. It's okay, I tried. Let's get into Houston. Hey, don't piss off family right before you die. They're likely to pick a strange corner as your resting place. here at a car dealership and gas station. It's a grave site. It's a mini graveyard. It says it's a historic Texas cemetery here. Is it open? It is open. Look at this, guys. Poor Henry Hillendahl. There's quite a few. There's at least a dozen here. And man, they are not getting any peace in the grave, are they? I feel bad. Yeah, be nice to people if you're near the end. All right, well, we're here in the museum district of Houston. Look at all the green. It's literally green everywhere. A lot of rain here in this part of Texas. That's why it's so green. In fact, look at this. Look at these trees and all the green. It's pretty. At least you don't have to tread through the rain with me. Like me. You're with me, but not in the rain with me. Wow, what a beautiful walk. I believe this building off to our left, this old one here, that's the Museum of Art of Houston. I want to go up here. I see a fountain. I see some water. Oh yeah, the Macomb Fountain here. It's huge. Why is the water so murky and looks like soapy? I don't know. That's pretty though. I never quite feel myself when it's raining either, which is the bummer part about it. But a couple days ago I said, yeah, YouTube can wait. I'll just wait till it stops raining. Then I looked at the next 4 days in Houston. I'm like, unless you want to just sit in your RV and sulk, Eric, we need to get out and explore. So that's what we're doing. Art. Jeez, put some clothes on, you hippie. Art. This park would make me very uncomfortable at night. Whoa, whoa. Yes. Whoa. Don't mistake this for Chicago, guys. We're in Houston. It looks like the bean. Except I don't think you can touch this bean because, oh, weird. It's hollow. Can you see? It's open in the middle. I mean, not all the way through like a donut hole, but it's open inside. That is really strange. Let me do some reading up here. All right, so check it out. It's called Cloud Column. It is actually made by the same artist who did The Bean in Chicago, Illinois. It actually predates The Bean as far as art, but it wasn't installed here until 2018. So it's newer than The Bean, but the idea for it, the art for it, is older than The Bean by the same artist. I looked at it. I'm not gonna try to butcher the name of the artist because I certainly cannot pronounce it, but pretty cool and different. Hey rain, could you stop raining for a second? What in the name of ever-loving quirky is this? The Orange Show. Okay? Okay. Let's take a closer look here. It says The Orange Show, crafted by Jeff McKissick from 1956 to 1979. It's a visionary art center, open Saturdays and Sundays. It is so strange. It is Saturday, but I don't understand. It is Saturday. What does it say? Hours vary. Oh, I'll bet you they're closed because it's raining. Look at this. Listed in the National Register of Historic Places, built in 1979. Let's go walk around. Maybe there's more to see on the other side. Maybe there's another entrance. Pretty strange. Wait a minute, is this gate open? This gate's open, but that one has a padlock. Well, let's go peek over here and see if we can see anything. I don't know, I think they're closed, guys. I love the permanent palm trees here. No chance of being knocked over, right? And they kind of just blocked off this dead end and said no parking, but wow, it almost looks like Whataburger signs back there. How strange is this? Why? You know? And they don't answer their phone. I am just as confused as y'all. It should be open, but it does say hours vary, so I'm guessing in the winter, well, it's not quite winter time. But again, I'll bet inclement weather, if it's gonna be windy or raining, they probably just decide not to open. And that's kind of a bummer, because I'm leaving Texas, guys. I've had it with the rain, I'm over it, and we gotta get into a different state. So I guess I'll mark it down and pin it, and we'll try to hit it up next time I'm in Houston. All right, well, I got Tater Tot parked over at Lori's house. We're here downtown Houston at, I think it's called City Center. So Lori and Bill and I are gonna go see if there's a bowling alley open. It's rainy day activity. It is a really cool themed bowling alley here, but they are booked until 10 p.m. is their next opening, and it's 3 now. We're not gonna wait that long for an app for lane, so let's try this one again another time. I'm just walking around the area because I got some time to kill. There is another bowling alley that does have open lanes. That one's just, holy cow, you gotta get a week's notice reservation just to get a lane. I'm not used to that. You just walk in. So I called them and they have open lanes. So we don't know what we're gonna do yet. There's an escape room down there that has an opening. Christmas decorations though. Some AstroTurf here. A little chilly in Texas right now. Little unusual. Thanks to the rain. Hey, the Daily Gather. Look at that rig. I don't even know what that is. It says it's a limone? Okay. Never heard of it. Gather around, stay a while. Well, we gotta figure things out. Yeah, we're gonna come up with a plan and I'll get back to you. All right, we're gonna try Bolero Bowling Alley here. It's a little bigger, and I called and made sure they have open lanes tonight. Good rainy day activity, I guess. What are you gonna do, right? All right, since it's only a 10-minute wait, we'll get some shoes, some balls, and we'll go bowling. The game's over, and I won. I beat Lori. That's right. Well, beating everybody at bowling was exhausting, so we're gonna check in. We're gonna check in to get some barbecue here at what's it called? Hickory Hollow. They got some barbecue. I don't know. It looks pretty good. It smells pretty good. All right, we'll check it out. All right, well, I went with the ribs and the brisket and the taters and the mac and cheese, and Lori's got a loaded Idaho potato there, which is huge. And we each got over there, Bill.
Mac and cheese, some zucchini, and brisket.
Nice. All right, dinner and barbecue was awesome. We got one more thing to do. We're gonna go to a comedy club and get some laughs on. I obviously can't bring the camera in there with you, so we're gonna go laugh, and I'll get back to you later tonight, and we'll go check in on those kitties. Bye, guys. Tara, I missed you. You're like a squishy little donut. You're so squishy. Hey, Tara, I missed you, girl. Yeah, I had to do some bowling, had to have some laughs. It was fun. I missed you, Tater. Where's your brusher? Where's your big brusher? There hims is. Uh-oh, Dad didn't plug in the heated blanket, did I? Oh, you were sleeping, weren't you? I caught you. I caught you, Opie. You guys are probably ready for some num-nums, huh? Let's get those kitties fed. Yeah, buddy, missed you guy. Hey, we made the most of it, had an awesome time. I'm gonna miss my family, but it is time to leave Texas temporarily. Got new stuff in the horizon. I'll share some more information later this week. Y'all be well. Bye-bye.
Let's go.